My name is Will de la Isla. I am the National Sales Manager for Mexico. I am also an expert in ESD. Today I've been chosen to show you a little demo of a new single wire mini monitor redesign that Desco has designed. And I want to give you a real quick cap of how this monitor works. Right now, I'll show you the construction. It's a small monitor that has a 360 LED. So wherever you mount the monitor, you'll be able to see the alarming, right? Right now it's an alarm because I have no mat. They have a nice connection that connects directly to the bottom of the mat and terminates the material right onto the mat. Now, if I touch both at the same time, which is basically your grounded mat, you'll get a green LED on the mat surface. Now, as you can see, the outer lights are blue. That means the operators in park are not available. So you always know that what the status is on the particular monitor. So blue is park or standby condition. Now, once I put my banana jack on, I have it connected to my smock. You'll see that the green light turns on the operator also. So now both conditions are good, and now you have a green illumination of the whole work environment. If there's an alarm, if I tend to disconnect without properly parking, it goes red. I plug back in, it goes back green. And then you'll see the timer of the park snap. As soon as it gives you 8 seconds to start status of the green LED or your good condition of both. Now, this middle position I could touch, and it could give me time now to take my wrist strap, about 6 seconds, and park the monitor on the material. So this is a quick overview of our single wire mini monitor with 360 LED, which I just think it's cool. I think everybody should buy one and put it on their work environment. This is wave distortion technology, an impedance single wire monitor, the best in the business. I would recommend you can buy this monitor for several reasons. One, it illuminates the LED 360. It terminates the monitor onto your mat, which verifies that the monitor is being grounded 100% of the time. It's less obtrusive to the work environment. It doesn't get in your way, and it's cost effective.